Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today, I'll be showing you how to fix error 1006 zoom. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, it means that your computer have an installation or update failure caused by insufficient disk space. So with that said, first things first is of course free up your space into your computer by selecting this PC into your home. And now over here, just make sure it is not on red, because if this drives is on red, it means that you have a higher risk that your data can get corrupted. So make sure you have enough space for you to operate. And now another thing, if you have a firewall, just disable it temporarily. But if it still doesn't work out, you need to reinstall the Zoom. So you could do that by going to the settings, and after that you could just simply go ahead and go for the apps on the left side, go for install the apps, and from here guys you could just simply go for Zoom, and from here you will have Zoom or Workplace. Uninstall this thing, and after that of course you could just simply go ahead and search for Zoom and download the Windows here on the Google, and you will have the first one. Make sure to download the latest version as well, and select download over here, whether you are 64-bit, 32-bit, or ARM64. And after that you could just simply go ahead and do the setup. So open the file, and from here automatically it will be installing into your computer, and everything should be working back again. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.